I'm going to show you how to make the teriyaki king oyster mushroom, and that is how the king oyster mushroom looks like. Then I cut it small pieces like that, and I got 1 ounce red pepper, about ½ ounce of green onion, and I got some cilantro for garnish. And for the sauce, I'm using 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of the marin sauce like that, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and you just mix up in it. That's all. Okay, then the wok is hot, so I put a little bit oil in it. I'm gonna stir a little bit first. Okay, the oil is hot enough, so I'm gonna put it in it and pan fry a little bit until they turn it brown. Okay, we wait until they turn it brown at one side and flip over to the other side. And I have 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Then I have 2 teaspoons of just water, and mix. See, they turn it brown a little bit, so I'm going to turn over. There's some on the side, probably wait for a little bit. Maybe I move the side to the middle, in the center. That looks good, so I have to wait a few seconds for other side. Okay, they both sides look pretty nice and brown right now, so I'm going to put some green onion in it first. And stir it a little bit. I'm going to put some red pepper in it. And I put some sauce in it. Okay, then I put some cornstarch with water in it. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, this is all done. This is teriyaki king oyster mushroom.